What is a gadget or a screen? When you are counting the number of minutes that your child is using a screen, ito po ang number one question na nakukuha ko when I say screens. Kung kasali ba ang TV screen? Yes po, kasali ang TV screen. Sama po ang TV screen pag binibilang ang number of minutes in a day. Hindi lang po ang TV screen, ang gadget screen, pati po yung screens na nilalagay natin sa kotse para may pinapanood ang ating anak. So if you are computing the number of minutes, kasama po lahat ng screens. Okay? So what is a gadget? It can be your phone. It can be a tablet for your child. It can be your television. It can be the gadget in the car that you give to your child to either entertain them or for them to use. Okay. Now, why is it a very controversial topic? It is because nakarinig rin po kayo in all the videos that we've had with our developmental pediatricians, our reading specialists, and our speech development or a child psychologist. All of them categorically say that if you lessen the gadget use of your child, the behavior, the attention span, and everything else will improve. I do not prompt them to say something about gadgets, but it always comes up. Why is it managing the gadget use of your children? I also understand that some of you believe that your children should be able to use a gadget. We just need to manage it. Now, what is a gadget? First of all, parents, this is not a toy. Do not consider it a learning material. It is not a toy. It is a responsibility. It is a responsibility. It is your gadget. It is not your child's gadget. Your child is only borrowing your gadget. That is important when we make points later with your teens. You bought this. They did not buy it. You gave them the gadgets. So the first thing is, this is not a toy. It is a responsibility. Therefore, if there are young children, if you are a parent of very young children, my first tip is hold it off. Meaning, maghintay po tayo na medyo matanda-tanda na sila bago natin paggamitin ng gadget. Ngayon, meron po akong pamangkin na baby. Para po nakikita niya ako araw-araw, tinatawagan po ako ng mommy niya using the gadget. Iba po yun. You are using the gadget as a tool for your child to see other relatives. We will put that aside. That is very helpful because you are not giving the child the gadget. You're just showing, hey, Alonso, this is Teacher T. Hi, say hi to Tita Tina. Or you're going to say hello to Lola or Lolo or a loved one who is not with you. You're not giving them the gadgets. That's different. Okay? So why hold it off? Because it is easier to give a gadget later on than if you ask some of the parents who are already here, bawiin yung gadget. Mas mahirap po talagang bawiin if we do not manage it early on. You do not give this to your child unmanaged. It is very dangerous. It looks innocent. Some tablets, di ba, naglalagay pa kayo ng cover na very child-friendly, rubber, ganyan. Mukha siyang laruan. Hindi po siya laruan. Lalong-lalo na kung nakakabit siya sa internet. It's a different world. As one psychologist said, parents, you think the physical world is so dangerous. It's actually not that dangerous. And you think the online world is not dangerous, but it's actually more dangerous than you think.